What's up guys? Today we're making Surinaamse Pastei. It's basically a pie, a chicken veggie pie. So first off, we're gonna boil 500 grams of boneless chicken breast. Then you're gonna set aside to cool. Don't forget to boil it with some salt and bay leaf. As it cools down, you can create pulled chicken. Let's enjoy some of that view there. Okay, now back to the dough. We're gonna boil 300 grams of butter. You're gonna need 400 grams of flour, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, and 2 teaspoons of salt. Add the butter to the flour and mix it. Then you're gonna add 200 milliliters of water. Mix it. You'll create a gooey, sticky texture. And when you're done with that, put it in a bowl or some cut right. Put it in the freezer for an hour or in the fridge for a couple of hours. As for the filling, you'll need 2 small onions chopped, 3 bay leaves, 3 celery sticks chopped, 2 small tomatoes, 2.5 Maggi blocks, 200 grams of butter, 500 grams of pulled chicken, which we previously did, a can of corn and 2 cans of peas and carrots, and capers and pickled onions to your liking, a teaspoon of nutmeg, and I forgot to put it here, a teaspoon of black pepper. So let's start. You're gonna add the butter to the pan, add your onions, throw in your Maggi blocks, and then your black pepper. Add your pulled chicken and let it fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. When that's done, you add your mixed veggies. Mix it up. Then you're gonna add your celery, your tomato, your bay leaf, and the nutmeg. Mix it all up and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Now you turn it off, you add your pickled onion and your capers as much as you like. I put a lot because I really love it. Mix this, remove your bay leaves and set aside to cool. Now we're gonna work on the pie. You grab an A4 baking pan. Now roll it up, add some extra flour to roll it easier. Put it in the baking pan and you'll cut the edges. And then you fill up the pie. Yeah, look at all that bruine bonen. Recipe on my channel, by the way. Add the top layer and fold it in with a fork. You can design it however you like. Now put it into the oven on 180 degrees and bake it for 30 to 45 minutes. And voila, nice and golden brown. Enjoy the recipe, guys.